Hey, LLC students and parents. This quick video is for our level 2 students, and let me see if I can scroll this up. We are going to look at our anchor chart for level 2, unit 1, and then we will look at the pretest, which will be Monday's assignment. So our anchor chart is showing counting dots along with the numbers and the spelling of words, or spelled out of the numbers 1 through 20. Once again, double check that you are on the right level video that goes along with your packet of work. So here we're just going to write the word for each one. So we'll spell out 6, S-I-X, 18. We can use our anchor charts on our pretest and our post-test and our daily work. So don't lose that anchor chart. It'll help you out. So like I said, for part 1, we're just writing out those words. Please write legibly so that it can be graded and get credit for it, or can use for a reteaching tool. So part 2, we're going to write the number for the word, just the opposite of it. So 7 is spelled out, and we will write the number 7. Part 3, we're going to count the group of items. So for this one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, we would write the number 7 there. And in part 4, we're just going to fill in the missing numbers. So in the sequence. So 1, 2, 3, blank, blank, 6. So the numbers 4 and 5 would be in here, and fill in the blanks for the rest of these. That's all we're doing for Monday. For Tuesday, we're going to skip ahead and don't do the post tests. We'll save that for later. Unit 1, page 1. We're going to count and match. So we're going to find the one that is 16 dots and match that. We'll find the one that is 17 and match. Over here, we're matching 19 to 19, 11 to 11, and so forth. Circle the number that is bigger than the others. So we're going to find the greatest number in each set. Over here, similar to our pretest, we are writing the number for each number. So 1, O-N-E, 12, we'll spell it out. 18, spell it out. 10, for example, T-E-N, 10. And page 2, like I said, this is for Tuesday. And we're going to write the number, word, and draw it out. So you can do the little hash tally marks. We've been doing in class all year, or you can draw the dots similar to the dominoes counting dots. Find the number 11s here. Circle the correct number, word for each one. So 20, we're going to find 20, and we're going to circle it. Okay, fairly simple. Once again, a review so that we don't want to add too much extra stress to students and family right now, depending on how long we are in the situation of doing virtual classes. We may alter our methods for educating and reviewing, but for right now, this is what we'll do, and I hope it's helpful. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to text me, send me a Facebook message, leave a comment down below. Lots of ways to work together and get feedback. Thanks. Have a great day.